Welcome to a new video. My name is Mia from The Feminine Secret, a place for glamour and femininity. And today I'm going to show you how to do a very easy but glamorous updo. What do you need? Basically, not very much. You will need a smoothing comb or a normal comb if you don't have a smoothing comb, and a brush so you can comb your hair through and untangle it, and hairspray, a lot of hairspray, and a few bobby pins. So first I like to do a very smooth line. I already did mine, so yeah, so if you don't have it, do that now. So we'll take some hair and brush it up. Roll it nicely and then set it a bit high, like that. And then I like to take a little sparkling bobby pin, something with pearls or something sparkly, just whatever you have on your hand. Secure it nicely. So then I like to smooth out the sides. So smooth out from this side. Or roll it. And then you just roll and roll all the time. So smooth the length out. Basically you just roll all the time until it rolls itself, and then you make a twist. You will secure it with some bobby pins. Quite use a lot of bobby pins. Try to use not that many, but still try to hold it up. It's a bit of an art. And try to place your bobby pins in here. So not in here, but like in the middle of your bun and your head. So it's pretty much, oops, this was a bobby pin. So another one, and then it's it. Then I like to, like always, use a lot of hairspray, so it really nicely holds. Maybe another bobby pin. And show you the behind. So it's a nice little roll. It really looks nice with some dangly earrings or some diamonds in your ear. And basically this is the look done. It is super quickly. It takes a while to practice a bit, so the first time it won't be maybe as smooth as you would like, but just continue practicing, and I'm very sure after a few times it will be just perfect. If you're also in love with the golden age of fashion and you want to learn more about some icons like Edith Von Teese or Marilyn Monroe, I have a whole playlist about icons. I will link it somewhere in here. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe for more glamour. As always, stay chic and thank you so much for watching. Bye!